और का बातें से टीवी
ka umdi bas nyambat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya
ka jingtai ka Jowai shopping market complex kelajan dep artan la Pyntip menteri ka Sarkar Shylla uba Wailadmiki Shylla ubelongru MLA jang ka Jowai constituency ha ka jing kredam gila pathai ka bor ha ka khat sautre kula lengkot arja penrio uba Shylla le thu yakni ka market complex on site no shaka Giant Hills Autonomous District Council tang shudap Shna pura yak building brokawi.
Well, we are I was quite happy. We are in the just recent month also have been there and inspect where our deputy CM also came and inspected the market. So we are quite happy with the progress of that market. We didn't expect, but I really like to congratulate the contractor. He's doing a great job over there, and I didn't expect. As I can see it right now, I think he will be able to complete it before the time of completion.
And
24 months.
24 months.
24 months.
Okay. Process.
Yeah, definitely. Because from the very beginning, from the government or from my end, it's just that actually, if you discuss on that, actually it is a district council market. But it's just us, the MLA over there, and we have seen that this is the livelihood of the people of not only of Jowai town but the whole of Giant Hills. So that's why we took. We are quite concerned to see that just to leave it idle for all this year. So that's why we took the initiative, and then I'm happy that I'm able to convince the state government, and I'm thankful to our honorable chief minister for his generosity, and then he sanctioned the 25 crores. For the construction, but definitely it is the property of the district council. So once this done, we'll be handing it over to the district council to run it. See, because I think because we have been discussing this again and again, even in the quite a number of time in the past. Actually, there was a change in this drawing of this building. It was supposed to be G+6 at the beginning, but without the knowledge from the ministry, then it was changed to G+2. So that's why, no doubt, after the tender was called, the first installment was released. So, but later on, when the people from the ministry came for the inspection, then only they came to know. Then there itself, then it gets stuck, and then they didn't release the second installment of that project. It is 25 crores.
What was
it was 20 at the beginning? It was 20 crores. For now, since I want to clarify that as of now there is no plan of the government to acquire that land, because right now it is not for us to say, because I want to reiterate it that it is the property of the district council, because it is up to them. So definitely from my point of view, you'll ask, like I said, that I really want to, but you do understand that it is not easy to acquire land, especially in those areas, without compensating them. So it is depend on it need a thorough discussion for the future of for the expansion. Like I already mentioned, that it is the property of the district council. So now, like I said, because actually it was not my it is not under our jurisdiction, the state government. It is district council property, and the scheme was given to them. But now it's up to them. Now it's up to them because it is for them to initiate. No doubt, personally, if you ask me, ask the MLA over there, looking the condition of the area and the market, definitely we want to acquire it. But in that area, whether people will really they will agree to it, that is difficult to say. But ultimately it is up to the district council to whether they want to to expand the market. It's up to them from now.